This is a couple days before Christmas here in Toronto. This is Queen Street, and it's amazing to think that this morning there was no snow, grass was green, and then this blizzard came through, first as rain and then as a sort of snow wind event. This is Woodbine here. This annoying sound of these windshield wipers. So now this becomes Lakeshore, and that is Woodbine Beach. Behind that building, it's actually a swimming pool. I mean, the roads are pretty good. I was out earlier, and actually it was there was more snow on the road then than now. Well, there's a bit of wind here. Canada has a lot of great virtues, but winter weather isn't one of them. I mean, this vehicle that I'm driving is a all-wheel drive, and I have snow tires on. It's pretty good in the winter. But you know, one thing about winter driving is you're always better to just stay in the lane with the most traffic and not go down the side through the snow. Here the roads are looking pretty good, but I find half the time when people wipe out, it's because they go in that right lane, and then there's just too much snow. But here it's fine. And what does this sign say? Carla, lane restrictions. But look at the blowing snow here. This is Leslie Street coming up, and there's a Canada Post building there, and there's a Canada Post truck right in front of me. But, you know, shopping centers are open. There's Loblaws over there, Starbucks. Okay, let's go. go. This is a little slippery there. Advanced screen here. So here, there's more snow here. Streetcars are running. Look at that. Those are Toronto's fancy new streetcars. Gonna head down towards the Portlands. There's the Canada Post building right there. And the wires are shaking a little bit. Looks like a shift just got out and everybody's racing out of there. Straight ahead is the Leslie Spit. It's called Tommy Thompson Park, but it's about 5 or 6 kilometers long, and it's all reclaimed land. So from dumping out all of the dirt and soil during construction, the city created this spit that goes way, way out into Lake Ontario. But this is look at the trees moving up here. So where I'm driving right now is called the Portlands, and these lands are all reclaimed. This was a marshy area, and now it's obviously land. And just up here on the left is the entrance to the Outer Harbor Marina. And in fact, I'm going to drive over there. You know what? I'm not. The road doesn't look that good. Not a good idea. Going across this bridge here. This is the Hearn generating station. It's been abandoned for probably 30 years, I would guess. Used to burn garbage here to create electricity, and when they shut it down, they sold the burning units that create electricity. They're huge, like the size of trains. They sold them to China. So somewhere in China, old Canadian technology is being used today to burn garbage. You know what? This is going to take me to Cherry Beach, so I'm going to keep this video going until Cherry Beach. sort of very industrial part here of Toronto. A vehicle. Kind of like coming out of the snow sort of thing. So it was plus 4 this morning, and now it's minus 9. So it dropped, 12, 13 degrees in the matter of minutes. So let's just go through here. That's the port of Toronto there. Let's just come up and have a look down here. Look at the snow blasting through here. A little tree down. A little branch, not a tree. I guess no one's taking bicycles out today. They're all there. Just drove through this little snowdrift. And this is Cherry Beach. Yes. It's a good day to come if you're looking for parking. There's some people out taking pictures. And I want to go see the waves. I mean, Cherry Beach is, you can't go in, it's closed. But there's the, it's called the Outer Harbor. And look at this in here, eh? It's very desolate today. Well, on that note,